Afitha mũrũgamĩrĩri wa rũhonge rwa kĩmabũrũri rwa UN kambĩ-inĩ ya Dadaab William Ejalu augĩte hau kabere ahoi toro ya marũmbũyagio na mwĩhoko atĩ nĩmagacoka kwao, ĩndĩ mbara na ũcenjia wa rĩera nĩ ũnyihĩtie mwĩhoko ũyũ.
As I mentioned before, the approach has been care and maintenance with a hope that the refugees will be returning to their countries of origin, and after 30 years the chances of them going back is minimal because of the lack of peace. So the only solution is to create that enabling environment that they are able to relive their lives.
Ongereire atĩ kwa ihinda rĩrĩ namba cia ahoi toro kambĩ-inĩ cia Dadaab ikinyĩtie 382,082.
The number is around 382,000 refugees plus. It has been increasing mainly because of the drought in Somalia last year, which led to about 100,000, 120,000 refugees coming over to Dadaab.
Kũringana na rũhonge rwa kũrũirira ihooto cia ũmũndũ, mũbango wa haki na ushirikiano ũrĩa wambĩrĩirie mĩaka 3 mĩhĩtũku nĩ ũkoretwo kĩrũirira kũmethera wũikaro.
The Kenya National Commission on Human Rights has been part of it and still remains part of this struggle by virtue of this project, and that the country is going towards integrating refugees into the general population. Some of them have stayed for close to 40 years, and so it's only fair that they are integrated through the new legislation.
Aden Hassan, mũhoi toro ũrĩa wũikarĩte kambĩ-inĩ ya Dadaab kuma mwaka wa 1982 nĩatarĩirie mathĩna marĩa mahĩtũkagĩra.
We don't receive water the way we used to receive some years back. Those patients that suffering skin diseases, and we don't have any a doctor that's specialized in skin, and it's found outside the Dadaab.
Komanda wa sub-county ya Dadaab augĩte atĩ mũbango wa kwamũkĩra ahoi toro ta aikari watabanio ũtekũiga ũgitĩri wa bũrũri hatĩka-inĩ, aikari o hamwe na bũrũri nĩ ũkũgunĩka kumana na ũruti wao wa wĩra.
As long as maybe there is proper monitoring and monitoring of whoever is coming into this refugee camp, so that we don't compromise on the security of the country, and maybe in the long run we might suffer the consequences, but as long as it is properly undertaken, so that we ensure that the people who are integrating do not have a criminal past or a criminal intent, then that in the long run it will be beneficial to all.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjeri wa Mwangi.